John Bolton, former U.S. National Security Advisor and longtime Trump critic, is facing an 18-count indictment for allegedly storing top-secret government documents at home and sharing over 1,000 pages of diary-like notes containing sensitive information with relatives. The indictment also claims some of Bolton's personal emails were hacked by operatives believed to be linked to Iran, potentially exposing classified intelligence. The documents allegedly include details on missile launches, covert operations, intelligence sources, and foreign adversaries' plans. Material that prosecutors say could jeopardize U.S. national security. Investigators note that Bolton knew he shouldn't share classified information, citing his prior admonishments of others who mishandled sensitive government secrets. Bolton fired back, calling the charges a political attack orchestrated by Trump. He denied any wrongdoing. His lawyer emphasized that many of the documents dated back decades and had been reviewed for prior publication, including his 2020 book, The Room Where It Happened.
I have become the latest target in weaponizing the Justice Department.
Trump, meanwhile, offered a blunt assessment. "I think he's a bad guy," the president told reporters, refusing to elaborate.
Bolton was just indicted by a grand jury in Maryland. Do you have a reaction to that?
I didn't know that. You tell me for the first time, but I think he's, a bad person. I think he's a bad guy. Yeah, he's a bad guy. It's too bad, but it's the way it goes.
The case against him?
That's the way it goes, right? That's the way it goes. Will I what?
Have you reviewed the case against him?
No, I haven't. But I just think he's a bad person.
The case is the latest in a string of legal actions against Trump critics, including James Comey and Letitia James, raising questions about selective prosecution. Bolton surrendered to authorities Friday in Maryland, setting up a high-profile court battle that pits national security concerns against political vendettas and promises to keep Washington buzzing for months.